Hello, you guys. Thank you for watching another episode of Trying Something New with Uncle T and Nephew. And get that spoon out your mouth before you swallow it and choke to death.
Wait, how? Who swallows a spoon?
Kids who be doing crazy things.
I'm not crazy.
Please, you are old. You know what? You right. That's what you want to believe. But CJ wanted us to try this so bad. And this is Red Bird handcrafted candy. This is Red Bird handcrafted candy, peppermint naturally flavored candy puffs. This is what CJ really wanted us to try. I'm sorry for laughing. Now let's look at the nutritional facts. So, oh my goodness. About 16 servings per container. Okay, so serving size, 6 pieces. So with 6 pieces, Jesus Christ. 30 grams of sugar for 6 pieces. What the heck? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So each piece is, no, we don't get 6 pieces.
Yes, we do.
We get 1 piece.
What?
You don't need all this sugar. So, yeah. So 1 piece would be 5 grams of sugar. That's okay.
I tried. Get it over with.
Get you a Red Bird.
Thank you, Red Bird. I got Red Bird.
Alright.
Huh, give me trash. The trash is. Oh, no. The trash is places right here. Right in the trash. I already ate mine. Oh, you spit.
These are soft peppermints, by the way. Putting melt on your tongue like. What do you think about this, CJ? CJ, come sit down. What do you think about this? Tell the people what you think about Now I'm not sure where to get these.
I got them from the Eagle.
So what?
I forgot where I get them from.
I was about to say, I thought your granny gave you these or something.
Okay, we don't have the
They
video.
got a website. CJ, you just can't end the video like that. So the website is www.redbirdcandies.com. This is a North Carolina Lexington company.
Hey,
all right.
Why's your shirt turning pink like this? Then not pink.
It's because of the new lighting that we got. It depends on the angle. Like this angle look like this, but then this angle, yeah. And that angle But no, that's all this did. Don't dwell
What
on the
about this-
opportunity in the past.
what about
Move
this
on
angle?
forward. Hope you guys have a nice rest of your day, and thank you for watching another episode of
Trying something over Uncle T and Nephew C.
Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice rest of your day.
I'm a baby.